Selling stock photos is a great way for photographers to earn passive income by licensing their images for use in marketing, websites, publications, and more. It's a simple concept. You upload high-quality photos to stock photography platforms, and when someone buys the rights to use your photo, you earn money. Let's break it down with simple terms and an easy example. First, what are stock photos? Stock photos are pre-shot images that people or companies can license for use in their projects. For example, a business creating a website might need professional images of office workers, landscapes, or products but doesn't have the time or budget to hire a photographer. Instead, they purchase stock photos. To get started, you need a camera, even a high-quality smartphone can work, and access to stock photo platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. Once you sign up, you upload your photos, and the platform reviews them to ensure they meet quality and content standards. If approved, your images go live, and customers can start licensing them. Here's an example of how it works. Say you upload a photo of a scenic mountain view. A travel agency finds your photo and licenses it for $50. The stock photo platform takes a percentage of the sale, often between 30 to 50%, and you keep the rest. This means you earn $25 to $35 for that single sale. The best part, your photo remains on the platform, so it can be licensed again and again by different customers, earning you passive income over time. What types of photos sell best? Images that meet high demand include business themes, like meetings or technology, lifestyle shots, people working, traveling, or exercising, and niche content, nature, food, or cultural events. Avoid uploading overly generic or low-quality images, as they're less likely to stand out. Also, make sure to follow guidelines for model and property releases if your photos include people or recognizable private property. Selling stock photos has some great advantages. It provides a passive income stream. Once your photos are uploaded, they can keep earning money for years. It's also flexible, allowing you to work from anywhere, and is a great option for photographers at any skill level. However, it's important to know the challenges. Competition can be high, so not every photo will sell. Plus, you'll need to consistently upload fresh, high-quality content to maximize your earnings. Platforms take a cut of your sales, so your income depends on volume and quality. In summary, selling stock photos involves uploading your images to platforms where customers can license them for use. You earn money every time your photo is purchased, creating a passive income stream. By focusing on popular themes, maintaining quality, and uploading regularly, you can turn your photography hobby into a source of income.